Hi everyone, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to guide you on how to sign up on Telegram. For that, open up your Telegram app on your phone. After you open up your app, at the bottom of your screen you'll see the option of Start Messaging. Tap on it. Here by default it will select your country and your country code. Confirm it and enter your phone number. After you are done, tap on the arrow icon which is on your right hand side. After that, you'll receive an activation code on your number which you have entered before. Enter your verification code. Then, if you want to add a profile picture, tap on the camera with a plus sign. Then you can either take a photo or upload it from gallery. After that, enter your first name and your last name. And when you are done, tap on the arrow sign. If you want Telegram to access your contacts, tap on continue. If not, tap on not now. A pop-up message will appear on your screen asking if you want Telegram to access your photos, medias and files on your device. Select allow. This is how you sign up on Telegram. Now you can send messages, photos, videos and files of any type. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.